is 7th chapter definite integration. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 14. Last part completed some important 7 marks problems. Today also we discuss one more important 7 marks problem, that is Roman number 3 question number 13. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by cos x plus sin x whole dx. Here you can write, put given function is I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by cos x plus sin x into dx. First of all, you have to take given problem is I. Next, we can use formula integral 0 to a f of x dx. Integral 0 to a f of x dx formula is what? Integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write in place of x a minus x. What is the value of a here? A value is pi by 2. That's why I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square of, you have to take in place of a minus x, nothing but pi by 2 minus x, over by cos of pi by 2 minus x plus sin of pi by 2 minus x over dx. After that 90 minus theta, pi by 2 nothing but 90 minus utilize on first quadrant sin cos both are positive. 90 is odd function, sin can be changed cos can be changed sin. That's why you can write integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. Correct or not, students? 190 minus utilize on second quadrant positive, 90 is odd, sin is cos square. After that, this is sin x plus this one is cos x into dx. This can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by sin x plus cos x, nothing but you can write cos x plus sin x into dx. This is also be I. Suppose this equation is 1, this equation is 2. After that you can add 1 and 2 both sides. Adding 1 and 2 both sides, 1 plus 2. What is the LHS for? I plus I. I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by cos x plus sin x into dx plus what is the RHS for 2? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by cos x plus sin x into dx. In this formula, you can write I plus I value 2i. In this two function, integral 0 to pi by 2 is common. After that, here first term denominator, second term denominator both are equal. That's why you can write cos x plus sin x also be similar. You can write numerator is what here? Sin square x plus here numerator is cos square x or dx. Here these two terms integration is definite integration is common. Denominator also be same. You can add numerator. After that you can write whole dx. Sin square x plus cos square x value is how much? 1. By the first identity of the trigonometry. This can be there 1 by cos x plus sin x into dx. This is the method number 8 in integration part. Integration part method number 8, these are similar. Here you can use one working rule. What is that? Put t is equal to tan x by 2. T is equal to tan x by 2. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. You can write this is the method number 8. In this method number 8, you can write in place of cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. in place of sin h 2t by 1 plus t square, in place of t tan x by 2, in place of dx 2t by 1 plus t square. Here function in terms of x, limits also be in terms of x. But function converted to in terms of the limits also be converted to in terms of the. That's why you can write. 2i is equal. Here, first of all, you have to change these limits. First, you have to take upper limit. Upper limit is what? Upper limit is pi by 2. X value is pi by 2. Then t value is tan x by 2. X by 2 nothing but pi by 2 by 2. Pi by 2 by 2 nothing but pi by 4. Then t value is 1. After that, you have to take lower limit. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 0. That's why x value is 0. Then t value is tan 0 by 2. 0 by 2? Nothing but 0. Tan 0 value is 0. T value is 0. Suppose we have to take this one is 3. 3 implies 2i is equal to integral. Lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 1. 0 to 1. 1 by. What is the value of cos x? Cos x value is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. What is the value of sin x? Sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square. Into what is the value of dx? Dx value is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. You can write all values in this equation 3. You can write cos x value, sin x value, and dx value, and lower limit and upper limit substituted in this equation 3. Next step is simplify numerator and denominator. We can write 2y is equal to integral 0 to 1 2t by 1 plus t square whole dash. We have to take these two denominator, two terms. Denominator is similar. 1 plus t square is the LCM. 1 minus t square plus 2t. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. Here 2 is common, get common. 2y is equal to 2 into integral 0 to 1. 1 by 1 minus t square plus 2t into dt. 1 minus t square plus 2t into dt. Here 2 get cancelled. I is equal to integral 0 to 1 by 1 plus 2t minus t square into dt. Suppose we have to take this is equation number 4. In this equation number 4, we have to take 1 plus 2t. 1 plus 2t minus t square. This is a method number 1 of the integration. First of all, you have to write a standard form of the quadratic expression minus t square plus 2t plus 1. This can be written as total. In these three terms, you can common minus of t square minus 2t minus 1 minus of a square. This converted to a plus b whole square form. A square minus 2a value t, b value 1 plus b square nothing but 1 square minus b square nothing but 1 square minus 1. Here t square nothing but t whole square minus 2t nothing but 2 into t into 1. Suppose this is a square minus 2ab. B value is what here? B value is 1. That's why you can write b square, adding b square and subtracting b square, 1 square minus 1 square. Similarly, here 1 is there. After that, these three terms you can write minus of t minus 1 whole square. T minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 1. T minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1. After that, minus of t minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1 nothing but minus 2. You can multiply this minus internal. You get what? 2 into 2 minus t minus 1 whole square. Correct or not, students? Minus into minus plus 2 minus into plus 2 minus of t minus 1 whole square. This is the value of 1 plus 2t minus d square. This value substituted in this 1 plus 2t minus d square equal to 2 minus t minus 1 whole square substituted in equation 4. You get what 4 implies. I is equal to integral 0 to 1 by 2 minus t minus 1 whole square into d. You can write 2 1 by square root of 2 whole square. 2 nothing but square root of 2 whole square minus t minus 1 whole square into d. Suppose you have to take this one a, this one is x in the form of integral 1 by a square minus x square into dx. What is the formula? Integral 1 by a square minus x square 1 by 2a log of mod of a plus x by a minus x plus c. This formula. In this formula, you can write a value is root 2, x value is t minus 1. You get what? I is equal to. You get I is equal to what? I is equal to integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. You can apply here. Integral 1 by a square minus x 1 by 2a. Nothing but 1 by 2a. 1 by 2 into root 2 log of mod of a plus x. A value root 2 plus x value t minus 1 all by a minus x value is t minus 1. Limits is 0 to 1. Limits is what? 0 to 1. After that, I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 minus 1 plus t by root 2 minus into minus plus 1 minus t. Limits is 0 to 1. Limits is what here? 0 to 1. First you can apply upper limit. After that you can apply lower limit. I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 log of mod of root 2 minus 1 plus upper limit is 1 by root 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus lower limit is log of mod of root 2 minus 1 plus 0 by root 2 plus 1 minus 0. You can write first upper limit 1, after that lower limit 0. You get what? I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 into log of here plus 1 minus 1, here minus 1 plus 1 both are cancelled. Root 2 by root 2, root 2 by root 2 minus log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. After that, root 2 ones are cancelled. Remaining one 1 by 2 root 2 log of 1 minus log of this numerator and denominator interchanged. Numerator and denominator interchanged, the power of the sign is changed. Nothing but root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 whole power minus 1. Correct or not? Students, here interchange power is 1. Power 1 can be changed to minus 1. Here 1 by 2 root 2 log 1 value 0 minus log a whole power m. Formula is what? M into log a minus 1 into log a. A value is root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Next 1 by 2 root 2 minus into minus plus log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. After that, you can write I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 whole square. A minus b into a plus b. Formula is what? A square minus b square. Root 2 whole square minus 1 square. After that, square root gets cancelled. 1 by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 minus 1 value is 1. Here, this is log a whole power m is a. What is the formula of log a whole power m? M into log a. I is equal to 1 by 2 root 2. M value is 2. Log A value is root 2 plus 1. 2 get cancelled. I is equal to 1 by root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. This is the value of I. What is the value of I? Here I is what? I is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by cos x plus sin x into dx is equal to 1 by root 2 log of mod of root 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is the value of a given problem. Today assignment problem is example problem. Show that integral 0 to pi by 2 x by sin x plus cos x into dx is equal to pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 base e. In this problem, you can do that similar way of previous problem. Integral 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. This one is a formula. You can use this formula, solve this problem, previous problem model. This is a very important example problem.